A monkey was born from the nature, having a great temperament of Buddhism. There was once a magic stone on the top of the mountain called Huago Shan. One of the stone bursts and produces a stone monkey with great sagacity. He gets acquainted with other monkeys. Soon he discovers a cave heaven covered with a waterfall suspended like a curtain as their home, and named it Shulian Dong. For this, the monkeys acclaim him as their king. After some time, he finds a teacher called Patriarch Bodhi, who named him Wukong and teaches him 72 polymorphic transformations, immortality, and a somersault with which he can cover 108,000 miles in a twinkle of eyes. Wow. Mga kwento-kwento to mga kalbs. Pasito naman. Creating great havoc in a palace of heaven, the gods capture the demon. Wukong manages the peach orchard in the heaven. He eats the holy peach, creates chaos at the peach's banquet, finishes up the holy wine in the jade pool, then swallows all the dashing Laojuan pills of immortality. He realizes the colossal disaster of what he has done, leaves the heaven, and flees back to Huagao Shan. The Jade Emperor furiously orders his general, Vice Ramana, the pagoda carrying heavenly king, the leader of the heavenly troop, and the wretch of the punishment. Yun yung kaganina mga kalbs. Yung kayo na lumilipad-lipad. Ito yata yung kwentong yun. Ito. So ito yung buong kwento pala kung ganun. Ito yung buong kwento nung tawag dito. Ito yung buong kwento nung mga nakikita natin simula kanina. May mga kwento-kwento sinasabi ko. Tapos ito na, monkey escape from 80 grams furnace, then trap under the 5 elements of mountain. Ito naman, Xuanzang lead a salvation ritual. Guan Yin appears to the reincarnated golden cicada. Monkey to repent at 5 elements mountain. 6 sensory pleasures are gone in the wild. Kaya pala may mga monkey din kanina doon sa nakita natin mga kalbs. Although hindi nyo naman siya nakita kasi tumakbo na siya, pero may monkey akong nakita kanina eh. Blessed from gods at coiled snake mountain, tamed white dragon at eagle ravine. Galing ng mga sculptor na to mga kalbs, no? Detalyado yan mga kalbs. Pati mga kamay. Monkey removes demon from Gao village, wins over Zhu Baiji at Cloud Pathway Cave. And then Baiji fights great battle at flowing Sand River. Moxa obeys the Dharma and wins over Wuching. Ito naman is the corpse fiend tries tricks Tang Sanjiang. Holy monk furiously dismisses Monkey King. Galing ng mga sculpture na ito mga kalbs. Dharmata, a woman's nation monkey's plan to escape from the beauties. Zhu Baiji helps defeat the bull demon king. Wukong attempts to borrow the plantain fund. Ang haba pala na itong kwentong to. Gandito pa. Dito. Ito na yung worship Worship Tadhadata Buddha at Lingshan Sanctuary. Mission accomplished, coming back with the Holy Sutra. Yan. So ito siya mga kalbs. As you can see. Ito siya. Ito yung monkey na hero. Parang kayo na magsabi mga kalbs, saan nyo nakita itong monkey na to sa mga pelikula na papanood natin mga kalbs. Napaka-famous yan. Ayan si Monkey King. Tanyag na tanyag yan mga kalbs sa mga pelikula, di ba? Yun o. Yung napaka-powerful na si Monkey. Astig. Dito no, nahulma yung mga pelikula sa mga kahit din sa mga sa Dragon Ball pa. Nandito nahulma sa mga pelikulang mga Chinese na ano, mga sikat na mga pelikula. Dito karamihan na nahahangin mga kalbs eh. Ang galing. View natin naman, wag ka. Amazing view. Diba? Sarap mga kalbs. Amazing.